Hello friends, welcome to Essay Speech in Kannada channel. Today we learn 10 lines about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We can use in your speech also. It's useful for kids. Okay, let's start the points. First point. Dr. Dear Dr. Ambedkar. Ambedkar. A-M-B-E-D-K-A-R. K-A-R. Ambedkar was born on born on 14th April A P R I L April 1891. Second point. His H-I-S his full name full F-U-L-L full name was N-A-M-E name was W-A-S was name was Bhimrao B-H-I-M-R-A-O Bhimrao Ramji R-A-M-J-I Ramji Ambedkar A-M-B-E-D-K-A-R Ambedkar. His full name was Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Third point. He was first law L-A-W law minister M-I-N-I-S-T-E-R law minister of India. Law minister of India. He was first law minister of India. Fourth point. He is called C-A-L-L-E-D called the architect A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T architect of the Constitution C-O-N-S-T-I-T-U-T-I-O-N Constitution of India I-N-D-I-A India. He is called the architect of the Constitution of India. Fifth point. He is called the M-E-S-S-I-A-H Messi of Dalitas. He is called the Messi of Dalitas. Sixth point. He adopted A-D-O-P-T-E-D adopted Buddhism B-U-D-D-H-I-S-M Buddhism in Nagpur N-A-G-P-U-R Nagpur in 1956. He adopted Buddhism in Nagpur in 1956. Seventh point. In 1956, he died D-I-E-D died due to illness I-L-L-N-E-S-S illness. Eighth point. He was given the given the title, given the title of Bharata Ratna, Bharata, BHARAT, Bharat Ratna, RATANA, Bharat Ratna in 1990. He was given the title of Bharat Ratna in 1990. Okay, ninth point. He spent his entire entire life in the struggle, struggle against, against the caste, caste system, SYSTEM, caste system prevalent in Indian Indian society, SOCIETY, society. He spent his entire life in the struggle against the caste system prevalent in Indian society. 10th point. He was the first person from India, India, to get an doctorate, DOCTORATE, doctorate of economics, CS, economics, from a foreign institution. He was the first person from India to get an doctorate of economics from a foreign institution. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.